Hello everyone, thanks so much for checking out today's video and welcome back to our Wix email marketing series. Today, we are going to be learning how to create a Wix email marketing campaign with the help of an AI. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go to our email marketing page on our dashboard. So to quickly do that, we're going to type in email marketing on the search bar right here. And once you do that, click on email marketing over here. And here we are on the email marketing page. So you can freely choose some templates over here. To see more options, click on view more. And you can choose from basic templates or pre-designed templates. And you can actually click on preview on each one of them to see each template better. But in our case, I'm going to be starting our email campaign from scratch because we're going to be creating it with the help of an AI. So I'm going to click on Create Your Own Email over here. So this is the Wix email campaign editor. So now, in order for us to start creating our content with the help of an AI, let's go to the sidebar and click on AI emails. So first, input your business name. I'm going to put my business name over here. It's actually related to a website that I previously created. It's a restaurant site, so I'm going to choose restaurant as my business type over here. But feel free to input whatever is relevant to your business. After we take care of our business info, we're going to move on to our content info. So what is the main intent of your email? So click on this drop-down button here and select something that applies. Perhaps I'm going to choose this one. And now we're going to describe our email campaign. So let's input our prompt over here. In my case, I'm going to create an email campaign about a limited time only free ice cream in celebration of our, say for example, first anniversary. So you can input something like that depending on what you'd like the AI to create for your email campaign. So the more specific you are and the more descriptions you use on your prompt, the better the AI generated result will be. So let's do it. And once you're done inputting your prompt, let's choose our tone of voice. So select the drop down button here and choose your preferred tone of voice. In my case, I'd like to sound promotional, so I'm going to choose that. And now, finally, select your email length. We have three options, short, medium, or long. I just want a short one since it should be, yeah, direct to the point. But that depends on you. And once you're done, click on Generate Email here and wait for AI to finish processing. Okay, so here we are. So this is what it came up with. First, review the generated email campaign over here. Make sure to check and make sure that everything is free of any errors. Make sure to read everything as well to make sure that all the information contained is accurate. And if you want to edit anything, you can actually edit any section or any element on your email campaign one by one. So we're going to try to do that. We're going to try to do that step by step. So let's start with our logo here. In case you'd like to remove your logo, you can just click on this delete button. But in case you want to keep it, you can do so as well. So I'm going to click on it and click on change image here. And actually, if you've previously uploaded all of your files onto Wix already, you'll be able to see them on Site Files. But if not, click on Upload Media and upload them first. Then, once they're uploaded, you'll be able to see them here. So I'm going to select this logo, click on Add to Page, and I'd like to edit it. So let's click on Edit here. And I'd like it to be bigger, so I'm going to crop it to make sure that we'd be able to save a good amount of space. And then click on Save. By the way, you can use other tools in the Photo Studio to edit your image however you want. Make sure to click on Save once you're done. Okay, great. So we've taken care of our logo now. Let's take care of our the other parts here that we need to edit. Okay, so in case you want to edit a text, just simply double click on the text and start typing. You can edit your text's appearance by going to the side panel over here. You can change your format, font, font size, and style. And if you go to the Design tab, you'll actually be able to select a fill color or a background color, enable or disable border width, and so much more. You can also adjust your padding, top, bottom, left, and right padding. I think I'm okay with this so far, so let's move on. I'm just going to double check to see if everything on this paragraph is okay, so let's quickly do that. Okay, so I think I don't need to change anything here. I think that should be okay. Now let's go to the button. So as for the button, I would like to adjust its padding first. So I'm going to go to Design, and I'm going to go to the top padding and maybe turn it to 45. Same goes for our bottom padding. Okay. By the way, apart from padding, you can do so much here on the Design tab. So you can change the font, text color, fill color, which I will change. So I will change it to that color so it's more appetizing. The border color, if ever you want to enable the border for your button, just adjust that over here and change its border color over here, for example. But I don't want a border color, so I'll keep it that way. And you can also change your corner shape. So you can have a sharper corner, a rounder corner, or yeah, something like that. And you can also change your alignment. So you can align your button to the left, to the middle, or to the right. I'd like to keep it here, centered. So now I'm going to go to the Content tab, and instead of saying View Offer Details, I'm going to say, get yours now. Right. And you can actually choose what your button connects to or leads to. So you can input a regular URL over here. If you want a document, you can do so. Just upload the document you want to attach. And if you want a standalone form, you can click on Create a Form and you'll be taken to another tab where you can create a form you can attach to your button. But in this case, a regular URL would be good, and I will be linking to my site because whenever a visitor or a recipient clicks on this button, they'll be able to go to our site so that they can do their order or place their order. Now I'm going to take care of this one. So I'm going to click on, so I'm going to check the text here. Think it's okay. So I'm just going to take care of the design. I'm going to change the fill color to something else, like that, and click on the check button. So that should be okay. Connect with us. I think it's okay. But since we already have like a social media button or area over here, I don't think we need this anymore. So I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, so let's see. I think it would be better if we add an image. So I'm gonna click on image, upload media. We're gonna upload a photo that we can use and click on add to page. There. And if ever you want to move it around the page, you can just use the arrow buttons over here. And basically, I'm just going to remove the elements that I don't need. By the way, if you want to link to a text, for example, this one, so I'm going to highlight this text, click on link over here, and input the link to my website's menu page so that they'll be taken there once they click on it. Once you're done inputting your URL here, click on apply to make sure that the URL is successfully attached. So that's how you link to it. But since we already have a button below, I'm just going to remove this one and remove this divider as well. I'd like to keep a, what's that? I'd like to keep a minimalist look. So now I'm going to delete this also, as well as these, because it seems redundant. We have location here, we have contacts over here, and our social accounts here. So I'm just going to be deleting the unnecessary elements. And in order to edit the details of your footer, click on your footer, and you'll be able to edit the content here. Your show address here, your phone number, your social links, and so much more. So it's actually very easy to navigate. So go ahead and tweak these out according to your preferences. And if you'd like to change the design, click on design over here. And over here you can choose your preferred font, font color, icon color, and separator color for your footer. Click on apply once you're done. Now I'd like to add one more thing, so that's a background. Let's click on background. And you can actually choose from solid colors or images and patterns. I'm going to choose a pattern here that I like, that one for example. But if you like, you can upload your own images to use. So just click on this plus button and select any image you want. If you haven't uploaded your image to Wix yet, click on upload media. And once it's uploaded, you can click on it and click on add to page, and it'll be added as your background. Anyway, double check to see if everything and all the details and info on your email marketing campaign are accurate. And basically, that's how you create an email marketing campaign in Wix with the help of an AI. Obviously, AI is there not to do everything for you, but rather to assist you and make things easier for you, because they're going to be the ones to lay everything out. But just because they're going to be able to do that for you doesn't mean there's no work left for you to do. So, yeah. It's actually very important to double check what AI has generated for you to make sure that the content is accurate and relevant to your business. And also, you can tweak things out however you like to, because not all the time Wix's AI will be able to create a perfect template or a perfect email campaign that's very ideal or close to what you have in mind. So you have to make that into a reality yourself. But AI is there to assist you and make things easier. So hopefully we see AI tools that way, not as a tool that can actually do everything for us, but rather help us in order to make things easier. And basically, that's it. That's how you create an email campaign with the help of an AI in Wix. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!